This guide will help you address audio desync issues in PUBG by providing clear steps for installation and adjustment. Follow these steps to ensure a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for PUBG. Check the game's official website for the latest specifications to avoid performance issues. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Install these updates to ensure compatibility and optimal performance with PUBG. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio settings. Launch PUBG and navigate to the audio settings. Adjust the audio output settings, such as changing the audio device or tweaking the sound quality to see if it resolves the desync issue. Step 4. Verify game files. Open your game launcher Steam, for example, and verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix audio problems. Step 5. Restart and test. After making the necessary adjustments, restart your computer and launch PUBG again. Test the game to see if the audio desync issue has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix audio desync issues in PUBG. Enjoy your gaming experience.